Good morning. How are you? This is Miss Pat Mudcakes 2, aka today is April the 18th, 2017. Bird watching. I put the food out for the birds. I'm looking out the window. Bird watching. Oh, squirrel watching. There go that old squirrel. He always come and eat all the food up from the birds. I might have to run him off. Get you a piece of bread and leave. Be kind, share. Don't get all the bread. Good morning. How are you, Mr. Squirrel? Bird watching, squirrel watching. But please don't eat all the food for the birds. Bird watching. I might have to run them off. What y'all think? Bird watching. That's right. Get your piece and leave. Okay. Hope everybody being blessed. Stay prayed up, be safe, and watch out for others while driving. No texting while driving. Thank you. May God bless. Amen.